The thing that I love the most about training is that I call them light bulb moments. That is the key component of I know they got it. Over 25 years, I have been training the ultrasound guided hands-on injection training course focusing on musculoskeletal and orthopedics for over 12 years. I've taught every single month. I have trained over 3,000 medical providers. Those are MDs, DOs, nurse practitioners, physician assistants. And the only reason I go through my background is because if there's anything that could have been done wrong, incorrectly, I've done it. I'm teaching you from this place of, I didn't know, but I absolutely know what it feels like to be in a room filled with experts and feeling like I don't know anything. And I wish somebody would have pulled me aside and said, hey, here's your roadmap. When I first started, this is what I wish somebody would have pulled me aside and said, here's what you need to know. Here's what you're going to focus on. And let's do this together. Take my hand. Let's do this together. As a legal expert, I'm always reviewing a case. And so I'm looking at it is what is standard of care? I teach from that place, whether I'm speaking in front of a large crowd or I'm teaching a hands-on training course or I'm at an event, I'm always looking at it from that place of liability as a legal expert background. I love to help bridge that gap because providers that are new into this setting, they really need that data and they need that assistance. So it's a lot of fun to be able to bring that along. If this sparked your interest, but you would like more information, contact us. We will be happy to help.